Let's look at how a parabola forms. Look carefully at the graph. It starts from the extreme top left side. Now the graph starts to come down, down, and further down. It keeps coming down until it reaches one special point. What is this point called? Yes, this point is called the vertex. The vertex is the turning point of a parabola. At the vertex, the graph changes direction. Look carefully. The graph was coming down, and now it will start to go up. Now it starts to go up, up, and further up. The next feature we are going to explore is the x-intercepts. Have a look at the x-intercepts. The x-intercepts are the points where the graph touches or crosses the x-axis. Do you know? X-intercepts are also called roots. They are also called zeros. So remember, x-intercepts, roots, and zeros all mean the same thing. They all mean the points where the graph crosses or touches the x-axis. Can we recall the other names for x-intercepts? Yes. They are called roots. They are also called zeros. Now let's look at the y-intercept. What is the y-intercept? Any guesses? As the name suggests, intercept means crossing or touching. Yes, the y-intercept is the point where the graph crosses the y-axis. Now we can identify the main features of a quadratic graph. I hope you liked the video. If you want a video on another topic, please write it in the comments section. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.